Okay, we're going to do a fun project today that you can do at home. We're going to learn how to make a paper airplane. I bet you some of you already know how to do that, but I'm going to teach it to you. Or maybe you've never done one like I'm going to do one. I mean, you can ask your grown-up to help you do this, okay? So let me turn you so you can see. And what you're going to need is a piece of paper. I happen to have a blue piece of paper, but you can use any color. You can use white, red, yellow, any color. You can also decorate your paper. Then you can make your airplane have really cool decorations on it if you want. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold your airplane like a hamburger. Or no, hot dog. They call this a hot dog because a hot dog is long. See? And if you folded it this way, they call it a hamburger because a hamburger is shorter and fatter, right? But we're going to fold it like a hot dog. So you want to take it and fold it right down the middle, crease it. And remember, ask your grown-up for help if you need help. Then you're going to take each corner, this little corner, and you're going to put it all the way, make a triangle. See that triangle? Yeah. And then you want to crease that. And you're going to flip it and do it on the other side too. So then your airplane now looks like this. Do you see your piece of paper? Looks like that. Then you're going to take this part, you're going to make the wing now. Right here, you made the nose of the airplane. Now you're going to make the wing. And you just take this piece and you're going to flap it down all the way to the bottom and make another fold. Just like this. Can you see that fold that I made? Yeah. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. Just bring it down and make a fold. Make sure you crease it really good. And then look what you have. An airplane. There's the nose, the wings, and the tail. Yeah, there's your airplane. Pretty cool too, huh? And then you can fly it. Let's see if I can fly my airplane. You ready? Up. There it goes. My airplane went. I would love to see the airplanes that you guys can make at home. I bet you'll come up with some even better ideas than mine. So maybe you're grown up after you make one, they can take a picture and they can send it to you, okay? I would love to see it. Well, it's time to say goodbye. Can you believe it, Ollie? It's already time to say goodbye. I know. We had lots of fun learning all about airplanes. Have you ever been on an airplane, Ollie? No, Ollie's never been on an airplane. Have you ever been on an airplane? I hear some of you say yes, and yeah, there's some of you that say no. Well, it's a lot of fun to be on an airplane, so maybe someday you'll be able to fly up in the sky too. Okay, well, we're going to sing our goodbye song, so will you sing it with us? You ready, Ollie? Okay. Goodbye, nice to see you, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Can you do it one more time? Okay. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Okay, blow kisses. Mwah! 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 Okay, can you blow them to Ollie? Oh, he got that one. Oh, rub them on your cheek, Ollie. Bye-bye. We will see you tomorrow with another day all about transportation. Bye-bye.